everybody. Welcome to my first Black and White 2 English video. Anyways, I'm doing PWT. Okay, I'm dead. I'm toast. Anyways, you probably think it was... Wow, you lived that. Double edge. Die you. Whoa, that did a lot. I don't think I'll live another one. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Holy crap. How am I living on those? Okay, I'm gonna die here. You did the right thing, Azuma. Let's go, Zork. Simus here. Go, Vulcan. Okay, this isn't really Vulcan. Because Vulcan, the Volcarona, is not level 30. He's level 35. With your info. I don't think anything's gonna go wrong. I'm here. So Zoroark. Let's kill this thing. Die you. He's dead. Down and out. I don't think we're having any problems so far. Except the fact that Azuma fainted. Now let us use another Night Slash. Man, this is actually going quite well. Whoa, that was a critical hit. That was a critical hit. Just finish it, Zoroark. Die you. Good job, Zoroark. Wow, I didn't even have to unleash Volcarona. Okay, so we won the first round, I guess. Round is Kim. Still, like, a lot of fun when they battle. I know you can't really. Sorry about the bad quality. Let's check out the other matches. Turn your attention to the giant screen. Okay, so let's see. The first round, New versus Kirim. Evenly matched. The one who moved a step ahead was Tim. Jaren won. Yeah. Fernando. Colress. Go. Jaren. Yeah. Jaren's awesome. Here we go. Azuma. Da, 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 da. Second round. Jaren versus Kirim. I'm as thrilled as it can be to battle here against you. The first challenger. I battled as a Judy. Learn something about Pokemon during your training. Yeah. Let's go, Sharon. Let's kick this kid's butt. Okay. His Pokemon do not take much to take them out. As a matter of fact. Holy crap, it's Stoutland. Please note that all these guys are level 25, or except my guys, of course. Stage 3 versus stage 2 versus stage 2. Use your Aqua Tail. Alright, for Azuma, Aqua Tail is always devastating. Aw, come on, it missed all. Seriously. I know what you're trying to do. Got you. Okay. Tackle! I know I can live with that. Oh, come on, Azuma. Tackle again. Weak. Die you. Haha. Crap. Stupid Zuma. Okay. Let's finish it, Vulcan. Here he comes. Here she comes. Okay, this is the real Vulcan. Here's your gust! List of death! Dead. Dead. Want jog? Die you. Okay, they actually did a lot. They all know work up, I think. I think they all know work up. No work up. And Vulcan, someone I wouldn't want to mess with in person. Die you. Dead. He's gone. What? God darn you. I'll just finish with the fire spin. Please hit. Come on, Vulcan. Great. Oh my god. Great. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Yeah, woke up. Yes. Actually hit this time. Wow, I actually did a lot. Not really expected fire spin. Thank goodness. Anyways, die you. Die. Yes, Volcarona. Alright, second round is mine. Haha, Sharon. Much stronger, I know. I have level 35. What do you think? I got him at level 35. Okay, let's go. And I think I know who we're gonna be battling last. I'll win. Hernando. Wow. Colress. Let's go, Colress. What's this? Oh. Send up flying. Boom. That's epic. Just epic. Okay, Colress is mainly a user of steel types. Why did I put a zoom up first? And in this he has a Magneton. So don't get too cocky with your water types. Corliss. Why do I keep calling him Corliss? Well, at least I have some moves that'll do something to this thing. Aqua Tail. Boom. Die, a hunk of magnets. Holy crap, that did a lot. Okay, let's go. Oh, Chorus. Owie. Stupid Magneton. Die you. Die. He's dead. Haha. Haha, Magneton. Clink! Clink! Okay, that was just odd. Owie! Owie! Okay. Now you die. Paralyzed again? Gosh. He's in charge already. Okay. Get him a zoo. Dead. Come on, we can win. Oh, Jim! Okay. Heal block? I don't even have any healing items. Come on, Azuma. We can't lose now. Uh-oh. Wow. Lived. Surprisingly, since Azuma knows have a lot of defenses and attack power. Okay, easy win. No surprise, I won. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Simple. Good job, up team. That was fun. BP. And we received 1 BP. Weak. Roxy. Okay. Anyways, and I guess that ends this, so I hope you liked it.